Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to arcsinx of x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dx over the square root of 1 minus s squared. So this one we change for u. This one over the square root of 1 minus s squared we change for du. So the integration of this one, that is about u square over number 2, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.